What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to create yet another campaign and some new ads using Propeller Ads and a brand new offer on Mobidea. So let's dive in.
But first, a little promotion. My full stack affiliate platform, the Deberoo suite, now offers for a limited time only upwards to 80% off. We have a tracking software, a landing page builder and a spy tool, cash flow manager and so much more. So feel free to check it out through the description down below. Click the link. Step 1, create your account. Step 2, watch the video on the dashboard to claim your deal with upwards to 80% off. But if not of that, let's go back to the video.
Alright, so I am at Mobidea.com, the affiliate network, and this is the offer that we are going to focus on today. It is an offer for the United Kingdom with a payout of €3.50, and it's for web and mobile. It's the Money Guru free investment guide. So this is the offer, free beginner's guide investing in fixed income investments. So you can download your free guide, which is what we are going to promote as well. The daily cap is 30 conversions and payable actions valid, full lead submit. Lead validation may take longer time comparing to other offers. And that's very important to keep in mind because that will affect your cash flow. So keep that in mind when you want to run this offer. It might take longer time comparing to other offers to validate your lead. Like I said, the platforms is desktop, phone and tablets. A sign up form, submit, no traffic restrictions whatsoever. So let's dive in. Let's go to Propeller Ads. If you don't have an account yet, go to PropellerAds.com and you can simply sign up using that button right there. But I am going to sign in right here. There we go. Whoops, wrong password. Nope. I'm not a robot. Traffic lights. Here we go. Log in. This should be the right password. There we go. Awesome. Okay, we're going to create a new campaign. And we are going to call it UK. And what was it called? Money Guru? Yeah. Money Guru. That's fine. We are going to do a push notification ad on classic push only. Target URL, we're just going to put one in here. Obviously, this would be the target URL from your offer. So let's see, we're going to create some creatives. I'm going to open up Canva to get all our images in the right dimensions. There we go. So we want an icon of 192 by 192 and we want the image of 720 by 480. So I'm going to create those designs, 720 by 480 and 192 by 192, yeah. 192 by 192. Alright, so we have two canvas open right here. And we're going to look for some images. Young person with cash. Alright, I want somebody flexing with their money, showing off a little bit. And I don't want any of these stock pictures. So these stock pictures are, yeah, not working great. This might work, but this is, I don't know what kind of money this is, but this doesn't look like pounds. With pounds. Cash. Is that how you spell it? I guess, right? Let's see. Expensive car, maybe. Whoops. There needs to be a person in there, so that makes it look like anybody can get a car like that. Let's see. So no Cristiano Ronaldo, obviously. We want a nobody with a expensive car. What if I Google that? No, but, well, that's not gonna work. Random girl with expensive car. This is perfect. The dimensions are off, but I like the fact that she's so casually clothed. That's good. That makes it feel like anybody can get rich. You know what I'm saying? Might work. That's probably better. Let's do this. Save this image. And we are going to make that our main image. So I'm going to upload it in Canva. And awesome. Looks pretty good. I'm going to slightly change the crop on this. I'll have to do it again. So I don't want that black bar. Oh, there is a watermark right there. And we can't seem to get that out. Ooh, it's close though. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And then that should do the trick. There we go. Awesome. Dimensions are okay, but the quality is not that great. It's a little bit pixelated. But whatever, we're gonna roll with it. So I'm gonna upload that right here. There we go. And we want a icon. So pounds cash. Let's see. I like this. Do we have something else? How about this? Can we have more money? That works. Yeah, we're gonna go with this as our icon. So that's gonna be this one. I'm gonna drop it in there, and there we go. All right. I'm gonna drop that in there as well. Making money has never been this. I'm not gonna make it. Has never. Making money easier than ever. Whew. Close call. Okay, cool. Now we want our description. We've got a little bit longer there. Let's see. Get your free investment guide today. Or we could do this. It's also to create urgency, you can say, okay, today only. Oops. No, we're not going to make that. But that would create more urgency for the user if you say it's going to be today only. But that's fine. Let's take a look at the preview. So we got a preview here. Making money easier than ever. Get your free investment guide today. All right. Let's do another creative. Let's build another one. And for this one, let's see. So this is the offer itself. Investing in fixed income investments. Download the guide. Let's see what kind of results we get when we just Google make money. A lot of stock pictures, obviously. Make money online, maybe. What if free investment guide? Not really what we're looking for. Let's go with, I kind of want to stay in the expensive car thing. Dude with expensive car. Perfect. So I don't want somebody in a suit or whatever. Yeah. You look casual as fuck. That's perfect. Get it in here. Upload it. There we go. Perfect. Thank you, Canva. It's a little bit obvious that this is not the UK, but the USA. However, that's fine. Steerers on the left-hand side as well. But I'm not too worried about those kind of things. Those little things. And then for the icon, we could keep the... Yeah, let's just keep the cash. I'm not too worried about the icon. So that's going to be that one. Nope, my bad. That's going to be that one. And that's going to be that one. All right. Cool. Free guide on making money. Learn. Damn. All right. Learn how to become rich with ease. Cool. All right. And Propeller Ads lets you decide what kind of activity level you want for your users. So we have the high activity level with a high CTR, a low volume, so not a whole lot of people in that range, and the price is above average. Then we have medium, everything is average, and then we have the low activity based people. So the price is below average, the CTR is low as well, but the volume is high. There are a lot of people who are not that active online. We're just going to keep them all three on. That's fine. We're going to focus on the United Kingdom. And you can target cities or states if you want to. I am not going to bother. I'm just going to run in the complete UK. And you can do the same thing for platform, so desktop or mobile, operation system, browser language. So you can have very specifically target who do you want to reach. So make use of that if you know your audience, and then once you're done, press start campaign and it's all done. So that's going to be it for this video, but as usual, there is more to come. So stay tuned and peace out.